Hey there, tech troubleshooters. Ever faced the dreaded Windows has stopped this device because it has reported a problem? Code 43 error? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we've got your back with a quick and easy fix. Click on the Windows Start button. Nice? Now click on Device Manager from the menu that pops up. Double-click on Universal Serial Bus Controllers. It's like the USB hub of your computer. Right-click on Standard Universal PCI. Click on Disable Device. A warning will pop up. Just hit Yes. Now right-click again on the same thing, but this time click on Enable Device. Great. Now, right-click on the Windows Start button one more time and restart your PC. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Let's search for Control Panel in the Windows search bar. Click on Control Panel once it appears. Inside the Control Panel, find and click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Power Options. Now, click on Change when the computer sleeps. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Find and click on USB Settings. Then USB Selective Suspend Settings. Change it from Enabled to Disabled. Hit Apply and then OK. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click on the Windows Start button again and go back to Device Manager. Double-click on Universal Serial Bus Controllers once more. Right-click on Standard Universal PCI to USB Host Controller again, but this time select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall in the confirmation window. Then go to Action and choose Scan for hardware changes. Finally, right-click on the Windows Start button and give your PC a restart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.